The Lumix S5IIX takes everything you love about the Lumix S5 Mark II and steps it up a gear, focused at video producers and enthusiasts looking for more advanced features. With class-leading stabilization and reliability, some of the most impressive image quality on the market, and incredibly reliable autofocus, this is a camera that video producers will find easy to fall in love with. This camera takes incredible stills photography as well, making it perfect for the general hybrid creator who wants a little bit more. The X model brings along all of the features you loved about the S5 Mark II, including the 24 megapixel sensor with new generation processor, no recording time limits up to 6K with the active in-body cooling, an incredible 14 plus stops of dynamic range in V-Log and V-Gamut, and of course the new phase hybrid autofocus. And let's not forget about the new Active I.S technology, creating some of the best camera stabilization I've ever seen. The X model now includes specific stabilization for anamorphic shooting, tuned for compressed width lenses. Photographers will love the high-res photo mode from the S5 II, capable of up to 96 megapixel resolution for intricately detailed shots, as well as live view composite mode, which gives you real-time feedback on the monitor for those long exposure shots. Available in the X model at launch and in the S5 Mark II via firmware update to come. Content creators will love the full sensor recording feature, making it easy to cut horizontal and vertical deliverables from the same frame, as well as the use of real-time LUT, creating very fast workflows for tight editing deadlines. Not to mention the ability to use Active Track when paired with DJI's Ronin RS3 Pro, which uses the camera's autofocus system to track a subject's movements with the gimbal hands-free, making it great for solo presenters or nailing those more complicated gimbal moves. Match this with the much-loved full-size HDMI port, dual SD card slots, and free-angle bright LCD screen, the S5 Mark IIX gives you a lot of creative freedom. The X model now adds a larger range of codec options, including ProRes, All Intra, as well as direct to SSD recording, anamorphic support features, and streaming capabilities. This is a camera to get excited about. There's a brand new design for the Lumix S5 Mark IIX with the monochromatic black on black style. This new monochromatic design is a first for Lumix and certainly helps it stand out from other cameras.